William Dampier was born in 1651 in East Coker, Somerset, England. He was an explorer, pirate, navigator, and naturalist, notable for being the first Englishman to explore parts of Australia, as well as being the first person to circumnavigate the world 3 times. Dampier, the second son of a tenant farmer, lost both his parents at a young age. After completing his studies at King's School in Bruton, he was apprenticed to a shipmaster and embarked on a voyage to Newfoundland and Java. In 1672, he joined the Royal Navy and participated in the battles of Schooneveld, where he became very ill. Following his recovery, he managed a sugar plantation in Jamaica, then worked in logging in the Bay of Campeche, where he also kept detailed journals, starting with his observations of monkeys, spiders, snakes, and armadillos. In 1679, Dampier joined pirates in Central America, raiding and seizing Spanish ships on the Pacific coast, making plundering his main income source. This journey lasted over 12 years and marked his first trip around the world, becoming the first Englishman to set foot in Australia. During that time, Dampier meticulously recorded observations of wildlife and flora, along with data on winds, currents, and navigation. In 1691, he returns to Europe, and in 1697, he published his book, A New Voyage Round the World, which immediately became a bestseller, captivating the public with tales of exotic lands and cultures. In 1699, Dampier received a commission from King William III to command the 26-gun warship HMS Roebuck, with the mission to explore the east coast of New Holland, a name given by the Dutch at that time, which is known today as Australia. During this expedition, he began documenting the first detailed record of Australian flora and fauna. His drawings and the introduction of the term subspecies into English influenced Darwin's theory of evolution. Moreover, after his experience with a hurricane in the Bay of Campeche in June 1676, Dampier provided a detailed account that scientists recognize as the first accurate description of this phenomenon. William Dampier passed away in 1715 in London. His adventurous spirit and thirst for knowledge continue to inspire generations of explorers and scholars. Thank you for watching. Wondering how you can help our small channel grow? It's simple. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video with your friends. For those looking to support us further, treat yourself to some awesome merch from our store. And see ya in the next video.